it's somewhat bewildering why the case would even be proceeding at this point.
How close are you to getting an attorney?
Well, I've been in touch with a number of attorneys out of Syracuse, some attorneys that I'm familiar with from our civil litigation, and it's just a matter of just working out a retainer, and, you know, the fine points, but more than likely there'll be a attorney of record on this case within a couple of weeks.
And I know you can't have any contact with your mom, but through relatives, have you heard how she's doing?
No, and that's of concern. You know, it's not that I want to challenge the order of protection in any way, but I am concerned that she's okay wherever she is. I have no idea where she is, and nobody else seems to know that either. So I haven't been able to find a relative or anybody else who has any information on her.
And you have one brother that's in Utica? Or?
Yeah, there's a brother in Utica.
That's your sibling?
Well, I have two brothers, but you know, they're not mobile to be able to go anywhere.
And they're not telling you anything, or you can't reach them?
Well, I just haven't been able to get much information. So I really don't know. I haven't really been able to get in touch with any relatives. You know, I live in a remote area and not really particularly mobile right now, so I haven't been able to get any information. I'm also very curious as to what evidence there is in this case. So that's why I'm limited as to what I can speak about until I actually see the evidence, until that's presented. But that's of great concern to me. Depositions and any kind of physical evidence, because I was, you know, on this, on this situation from day one, and you know, I know all the facts behind the scenes. But there's a lot more going on with this case than has been presented so far. We have a lot more information. It'll, you know, if it comes out, it'll be through the attorney. But we pretty much know what is likely to have occurred in this case, and it's just a matter of presenting those facts.
And do you know what they're saying that your mother said to them when she was found?
Yes, I just read the latest from Rome Sentinel, and I believe that was today, and it was a statement from Fire Chief Cowles, I believe pronunciation would be, Assistant Fire Chief Cowles, who was on site when she was found. They are saying that she was about 100 yards off the main road, and she was dressed only with a shirt, no jacket, and let's see, trying to think what else. And her statement was made in response to a question that Chief Cowles, I believe, had asked her. So it wasn't a statement that was voluntarily made, but in response to something that she had said. They also indicated that she was hypothermic, which would indicate a state of mind. So, you know, she would have definitely affected her in some way, you know, if in fact she was hypothermic. But we need to get all of the facts as to what her body temperature was, what else she had with her, and you know, that type of fact.
So the last time that you saw her was before she went missing. How was she physically at that point?
Fine. She was resting.
Tomas,
oh,
can I talk to you, please?
Yeah.